Declan Rice was Arsenal's gritty hero as they clung on for a 0-0 draw in Sunday's tame top three clash. The England midfielder again showed he is worth all his £105 million summer fee by edging his duel with outstanding counterpart Rodri in midfield.
Meanwhile, Ben White again showed he could be a big miss for England as the Gunners stood firm in defence. But there were some question marks further forward for Mikel Arteta's men, especially as playmaker Martin Odegaard was kept quiet.
Here's how Arsenal rated as they dug in for a point at the Etihad. David Raya 6 had an incredibly quiet afternoon. Most read in football. Gonna hurt Arsenal injury fears as Saka limps off versus Man City ahead of Prem title run in best bets. Best betting sites including odds, sign-up offers and free bets annoyed the home crowd in what they saw as time wasting, and he was finally booked for doing so in the 79th minute.
Ben White ate back after his short break in Dubai and looked as though it had done him some good, while some of the other players who had been on international duty looked tired. William Saliba 7 rarely put a foot wrong. Some key blocks and tackles and held firm under the late pressure.
Ex-Arsenal star Mesut Ozil shows off phenomenal body transformation and bulging biceps. Gabriel Magalhaes' 7 cracking battle with Erling Haaland and generally came out the winner. Class. Most read in football. Absolute joke. Fans travel 5 hours only to see game called off minutes before kickoff. Obruy Man City forced into last-minute change as Kevin De Bruyne drops to benchstars. Ordeal. Ex-Liverpool star Danny Murphy opens up on cocaine addiction after retiring. Terror scare. Arsenal release statement after ISIS threat to Emirates before CL clash. Jacob Kiwior 7 has featured at left-back during Arsenal's decent recent run and was once again solid and did a good job against Bernardo Silva.
Martin Odegaard 6 not one of his greatest games as he struggled to open up City's defence. Jorginho 7 did okay in central midfield but was subbed as Arteta wanted a bit more energy.
Declan Rice 8 impressive for Arsenal and enjoyed his fascinating battle with City counterpart Rodri. He came out the better of the two. Bukayo Saka 6 struggled to find much space in the first half but set up a great chance for Jesus before hobbling off injured.
Kai Havertz 5 had an early collision with keeper Ortega when he could have done a lot better. Had little service, though. 5 Gabriel Jesus 6 the former City striker missed a golden chance at the start of the second half.
Jeered by some City fans, and applauded by others when subbed for Trossard. Subs Tomiyasu, for Kiwior 66 minutes, 6 Partey, for Jorginho 66 minutes, 6 Trossard, for Jesus 72 minutes, 6 Martinelli, for Saka 78 minutes, 6.